As pilots, we live by our checklists. We do the walk around, we check the oil, and we watch our gauges. But the standard pre-flight can only tell you what's happening right now. It can't show us the hidden trends building up inside our engine. Hello, I'm John Sipple. I'm a DA40 owner and pilot, but I've also spent 20 years working in artificial intelligence. I wanted to know if my engine was truly healthy, not just green in the arc, so I combined those two worlds to build Vyzerion AI. Think of it as a virtual master mechanic that reviews your flight data after every single landing, looking for patterns no human eye could catch. Getting started is effortless. Go to VyzerionAI.com and sign up. You can log in securely with a single click using your existing Google account. To analyze flights, download your AE3 datalog file from your aircraft using the AE300 wizard. You can also download an example datalog file on the Vyzerion AI homepage. Upload that AE3 file directly to Vyzerion AI. You don't need to format or convert anything. The system automatically identifies your engine serial number, decodes the sensor data, and prepares it for inspection. Once your file is uploaded, simply click Order Flights. In the background, our AI is doing something incredible. It's comparing your specific flight against a baseline of thousands of known healthy flights. It's not just checking limits, it's actually checking behavior. And within a couple of minutes, the analysis is complete. Let's review the Analyze Flights page. Each flight associated with this E4A engine has a row in the table with a flight start time, flight duration, AI analysis time, and an AI-based summary. Note that the summary gives a short assessment of any anomalies found in the flight. It gives you a timeline glance of your engine's health. And if Vyzerion AI detects statistically unusual patterns in your data log, it will notify you under the Alert column. By clicking on the flight ID in blue, you can navigate to the detailed analysis page for each flight. The Detailed Flights Analysis page provides an AI-generated deep dive into your flight data, beginning with a textual report. The severity tags classify the event or the flight into info, advisory, warning, or critical. The summary is displayed in blue text, and it matches the summary found in the main Analyze Flights page. The description provides a comprehensive explanation of what the AI detected, offering context for the charts below. If the flight triggers an alert, Vyzerion AI identifies a root cause with a high, medium, or low confidence assessment. When the root cause is assigned a high confidence, the system also provides an actionable recommendation, such as a suggestion to inspect a specific component. Next come the graphical parts of the detailed flight analysis, starting with the anomaly severity timeline. The first chart displays the flight timeline on the x-axis. The green line tracks pressure altitude, while the primary line plots anomaly score, where low indicates normal operation and high indicates an anomaly. To the right, a color bar identifies the specific sensors driving these anomalies, with red highlighting the most critical features. During extended anomalies, color attribution bars appear directly below the anomaly line to show which features are responsible. In the example shown, the governor percentage and oil pressure oscillations, denoted as an OSC before the measurement, are identified as the primary drivers of these spikes. The raw sensor measurement timelines break down individual sensor data. You can scroll down to specific metrics such as governor percentage to see the actual measurements in green overlaid with the anomaly score in orange. In this specific example, you can see that the oil pressure oscillated briefly during descent, which triggered the anomaly detection. Please note that the orange anomaly score curve remains identical across every sensor chart as the score evaluates all features collectively. The final section are the baseline comparisons, which compare specific features of this flight against a baseline derived from thousands of past flights used to train the AI. The baseline spread is shown in a lighter color, while the current flight is displayed in a darker shade. This comparison helps context. For example, this specific flight shows oil pressure that was higher than average, but still within a normal historical range. At Vyzerion AI, we believe the future of aviation is continuous, AI-based inspection. It leads to healthier aircraft, lower maintenance costs, and most importantly, safer flights. While Vyzerion AI is an augmentation to, not a replacement for, your official maintenance manuals, it provides the insight you need to fly with total confidence. Thanks for watching. Sign up at vyzerionai.com and start seeing what your engine has been trying to tell you.